Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on how to take a quick note from Control Center. So let's open Control Center, again on an older phone with a home button, slide up from the bottom. A newer phone with face recognition, you pull down from the top right corner. And let's scroll through Control Center, and we're looking for the note icon. That's this little icon here with the plus sign in the corner. If you click it, it actually launches the Note app and takes you to a new note. And we'll just put in test note, right, today. And you can quickly take and type a note, add more text to it if you want to, right? We'll just go through and do that there. When we hit done, it adds the note and adds it to your iCloud notes area, right, to take a quick note. How do we turn that on? So we go to the settings menu and we scroll down again for Control Center, select it, and then we have our included controls. And in my case, you saw I actually had the Notes app showing up. Let's remove it for a second. Now it's no longer in my active controls, but it shows up in the more controls. And again, these are all the controls you can add to Control Center. So scroll down until you find Notes, select the plus sign next to it, and it'll move the note up into your active control area. You can actually grab the three bars next to the note, move it around, and put it in the position where you want it. So let's just put it after the magnifier in my case. So now if we open up my Control Center again, you can see I have the note feature showing up, and it's right after the magnifier. Thanks for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.